Dr. Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Zohari bin Tun Dato Abang Haji Openg, Premier of Sarawak, for his speech.
Oha! Oha! Selamat pagi, a very good morning, and salam segulai sejarah. Sri Karim Hamzah and Datin Sri yang usaha saudara Tuan Haji Helmi bin Haji Rasman, Mayor of Kuching North, Excellency Mrs. Ninita Babum Rescue, I hope I pronounced it correctly, Ambassador of Romania to Malaysia, and Donai Darussalam, yang berusaha Dr. John Chan, Governor of Rotary International, District 3310, Dr. Margaret Bitapol, I hope I pronounced it correctly, and to Kuching. I would also like to congratulate the organizer, the Rotary Club International, partnering with our DBKU, but we are in one family. That is Sarawak culture. I must commend this event because you will create mutual respect and mutual understanding among us. We need the world of peace. We need an environment where everybody can play their role and contribute to the betterment of the society, of the world. You can check in the website. The Kuching is the 11th cleanest city in the world. We are not only the city of unity, but the cleanest. That is why the Sarawak government is aggressively promoting what we call green economy. I just came back from Bangkok, and I share with the ASEAN Future Energy organized by the government of Thailand how we can fight for that. The Sarawak government has embarked on what we call green energy, and we are going to establish our public transport in Kuching using fuel cell, hydrogen, to power our public transport, perhaps the first in this part of the world. It is a chance and also DBKU, and I welcome all our guests in Kuching, and I hope you have an experience of me color, and also the other one is cake, lapis. You know, lapis means layer. It is layered cake, something unique, but then it can last about 1 week or 2 weeks depending on the ingredient. You can bring it back to your home country and taste it and spread it out.
For such a great speech, yes, as you are down on the stage, we will now get ready to begin the record attempt as we have the musicians.